Hey everyone, I'm going to throw together a quick screencast here just to explain some possible pitfalls with sharing these links on Google. As the entire school starts to collaborate on documents and sharing documents, I want to make sure that people understand how sharing works with a Google Doc. So typically it's been pretty easy when you're sharing, especially in-house. You probably would click on the blue share button up here in the corner and type in people's email addresses that are within the school system and it shares it with them. Another possibility is if you click on get a shareable link here, it will open up a menu. But notice what it says here. It says anyone at Derry Township School District with the link can view. Now, there is a little drop down arrow here, and you can change that to anyone can comment, anyone can edit. I would imagine most of the things you're going to want to share, especially share out with families, you want to make sure they are view only. But notice there's a more down here, and this is where we need to be careful. If you share a document so that only people at Derry Township with the link can view it, then parents and families will not be able to see the document. So you're going to need to pick one of these two up top. I think probably the safer bet would be anyone with the link, because if you put it out, the top one here was anyone public on the web. That means anybody who finds it could even access it. Now, the same would hold true with the one on the bottom, but the people then need to have the physical link in order to access it. Otherwise, families are going to have to request access from you, and it's going to lead to a headache. So just make sure that when you are sharing links, that you have it set so that anyone with the link can view it. But also make sure that down here it says anyone can view it. You probably don't want families editing. You may want them to be able to comment on it. That would allow them, if they had questions, families could comment on yours specifically. But I certainly would not have edit on, because obviously then anybody would be able to change it. So, the wise choice would be to view only. But if you want to have them add comments, you certainly can. Just thought I would put that out to you, as I'm sure some people are a bit unfamiliar with how to share the links and how to make this whole process work as we move into the realm of distance learning. So if you have questions, obviously, reach out to somebody who's fairly familiar with Google. You could always turn to YouTube, search for how to share links in YouTube. But it's pretty simple and fairly intuitive. Just be careful that you have it set for anybody with the link and not these people that are domain specific to Derry Township, because they would obviously then require a sign-in, and parents don't have Derry Township credentials, wouldn't be able to access the document.